Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to legally watch Premier League matches live on your Mac in 2025. It's simple, just follow along step by step to avoid any issues. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. I'll be using Brave, but you can use Safari, Chrome, or any browser you like. In the search bar, type Sky Sports and hit enter. Then click on the official link, skysports.com. Sky Sports is a trusted platform that streams various sports events, including the Premier League. Once you're on the homepage, click on Sports in the top menu. Then select Football. Scroll down slightly until you see the section called Live on Sky. Here you'll find a list of upcoming matches along with their schedules. To watch a specific match, click on the match you're interested in. This will take you to a dedicated page with a live stream link. However, here's the important part. You'll need a Sky Sports Pass to access the live stream. At the bottom of the screen, click on Get Sky Sports. You'll be redirected to a page with two options: upgrade to a full Sky Sports package, or stream instantly using a Now Day Pass or monthly membership. To continue with streaming, click on Stream with NOW. This will take you to the NOW TV website. At the top of the page, click Choose a Membership. You'll be taken to the payment section. From here, pick the plan that works best for you: a day pass or a monthly membership, sometimes with a free trial. Pricing may vary depending on your region. For example, in my case, it's £15 for a day pass or £30 for a monthly membership. Your prices might be different. And that's it. That's how you can watch the Premier League live, legally, and directly from your browser on a Mac. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and enjoy the match.